Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2015 and look at the question. Here given f of xyz is going to be a function f in terms of xyz and is given in minterms form sigma 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Which one of the product of sums given below is equal to the function f of xyz? So if it is SOP form, what is its equivalent POS form? That we are going to finalize. Okay, and from this one we can say the highest value minterm is 7. So to represent 7 it requires 3 variables minimum. So this SOP expression is a 3 variable SOP expression and those 3 variables are xyz, and 3 variable expression will be consisting of 8 possibilities. Out of 8 it has given 5 possibilities. Okay, the remaining unused, that is f of xyz is equal to sigma 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. The meaning, actual meaning, if you say f is equal to 1, if xyz is going to be 1, 1 means 0, 0, 1, or 2, 0, 1, 0, or 5, 1, 0, 1, or 1, 1, 0, or 1, 1, 1. If the input values xyz are 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, then output will be 1, that is f is equal to 1. Otherwise f is equal to 0 if xyz is equal to 0, 0, 0 and 0, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 0. For these 3 combinations f is equal to 0. For the given 5 combinations f is equal to 1. The meaning is this one. We can define the function in this way. Okay, so you will get the same. This you are going to get the POS expression. This is equivalent POS expression for the given SOP. Okay, so you can write f is equal to product of max terms of 0, 3 and 4. 0, 3, 4 is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. But in case of POS, 0 represents true value and 1 represents complement. So you can write this one as 0, 0, 0 means x plus y plus z multiplying with 0, 1, 1, that is x plus y bar plus z bar into x bar plus y plus z. Okay. So the right answer for this question is B. B is the right answer. X plus y plus z into x plus y bar plus z bar, x bar plus y plus z. Okay. So for any given function, you can, if it is in SOP form, okay, so the minterms present in that one is going to be at logic 1 in the truth table. So the remaining minterms, whatever present in the truth table, that you can expect from the given expression. Okay, if you write product of sums for them as max terms, then that is the equivalent POS expression. Okay, otherwise if you are going to write f of xyz as product of 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, then you are going to get, okay, then you will get, if you write in this way, you will get complement of f. In the similarly, if you are going to write sigma m of okay 0, 3, 4, 0, 3, 4, then also you will get the complement. You can get complement from the given SOP expression as well as you can get the true value from the given SOP expression. Okay, so if you choose 1, 2, 5, 6, 7 as minterms, then the terms which are not present in this one will be treated as max terms and write the POS corresponding expression, that will be equivalent f. Otherwise if you are using the same minterms as max terms, then that will be the complement of given function. Okay, remember this one. Thank you.